Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to disable filtering on Telegram. So you have to open the Telegram on the browser, not the app. So on the browser you can see this setting. So open it browser and sign into Telegram and select your country and enter your mobile number for login. So when you have to complete this all and you have to log in the browser, so make sure he has given you the code on the app, so you have to copy it and paste it here on the browser for logged in. It's a verification code, so you must have copied from the app and paste it here. So now you have access on the browser the Telegram. You have to go to the Telegram settings on the browser. So you have to click to the settings. So there is privacy and security, so you have to scroll down. So some countries has do not exist this option disable filtering. So mine country do not have this option, but you can see there are the end with name of sensitive content and you have to just click to turn off filtering. That's it. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.